guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Ria and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. With that, let's begin today's video. In one of my previous videos, I showed this product to you guys and said I'll do a first impressions with this. So today I'm going to do a first impressions with the Salt Labs cleansing balm. It's called Calm Balm. It's by a fairly new brand called Salt Labs. I'll leave their Instagram link in the description box below. Their ads have been popping up on my Instagram and I was so intrigued by this product that I had to try it out. Now this, according to me, has to be the dupe of the DU Good Grease Cleansing Balm. It's a dupe of that, and why I'm saying this is because of the packaging. Now this is the packaging with a twister jar, exact as the DU cleansing balm. Packaging is exactly the same. Of course the colors and the branding are different, but otherwise the packaging is exactly the same. But the main difference between the two is of course the price point. DU one is priced at 2000 rupees and this one comes at only 699, so even less than half of the price, which is why this has been on my wish list for a long time. And recently they were running a buy one get one sale, so I got two of these for 699. So that's about the packaging. It's like you can see, this is a twisted jar. There's a direction mentioned right here, so you have to twist the jar in that direction and then the product will dispense from here. I've seen a lot of people talk about the DU one, not just because of its formula but also because of its hygienic packaging, and this one will give you exactly that for less than half of the price. But of course I'm just talking about the packaging right now. I have not yet tested out the product, which I'll do right away in this video. But before that, let's just look at the ingredients and the claims of the product. The full ingredient list is mentioned in the outer packaging, which is always a plus for me. This has ceramides to strengthen, cica to soothe, and ectoin to hydrate. And apart from that, they also have vitamin E. So ectoin, cica water, vitamin E and ceramides, it's formulated with these. So it also says that it will cleanse your skin without irritating it. It won't be harsh on your skin, and then it has the directions listed to use the product. So those are the claims and the ingredients. It seems very promising, and from whatever videos I have seen online, it does seem to be a product that actually works. So let's just test it out right away. Okay, so let's begin. I'm so excited to twist this jar. I have been using the Dot & Key cleanser. It's really nice. It does take off my makeup and sunscreen very easily, but the packaging is not the most hygienic. It comes in a tub format and you have to dip in your fingers every time you use it. I've also used the Deconstruct cleansing balm before. That one comes in a tube packaging, but it did irritate my eyes, so not the biggest fan of that one. But now let's test this. So I'm going to just twist this jar now. Okay, the product has started coming out. That is so satisfying to watch. Okay, so let's take this much of products to start with. I think I should do a little more. This is just so satisfying. Loving the mechanism of the tub. Oh, this is very smooth. Did you just see that? Like one swipe and it was off. The product claims to be silk and smooth, and it really is that. It feels so lightweight and just so smooth on the skin. Okay, now let's do my eyes. That was quite easy. Even the mascara seemed to have come off. And it's not irritating the eyes at all. If it did, you could have seen it on my face, but yeah, it's not. Now I'll just test it with some water to see if it emulsifies, and look at that, it beautifully emulsifies as well. Okay, so I've just washed my face and come back. And I've not used any other face wash. I've only used the Salt Labs Calm Balm to cleanse off all my makeup and sunscreen. So yeah, all the makeup and the sunscreen is off. My skin does not feel dry. It does feel very smooth and soft. I feel like halka sa lipstick reh gaya tha, but that's probably because I was shooting a lipstick swatch video before that and I had applied too many lipsticks today. So yeah, apart from that, everything came off really nice and smooth, and it did not irritate my skin at all. It did not feel harsh, and right now my skin does not really feel dry. Of course, I have to do my skincare routine, apply my moisturizer and everything. But you know how some cleansers leave your skin feeling very dry? This is not one of those. My skin feels really clean though. Like when I'm touching it, I feel like there's no dirt and grime left on my face at the moment. So as a first impressions, definitely loving this product. I used so little and everything came off. I probably had to use a little more so that all my lipstick could come off. But nevertheless, from whatever first impressions video I've done so far, this has to be the best amongst all of them. And I'm super impressed with the product and what the brand delivers. And I'm so glad to see so many Indian brands delivering such great products at such affordable rates. They're definitely giving competition to so many international brands out there. Like I said before, the DU cleanser has the same mechanism. Not sure about the formula because I've not tried it, but if it's anywhere near to this, I think you should go for this one instead, because you get it at $6.99 and that one is priced at $2,000. So what's the point of spending so much when you can get a similar product in less than half the price? So yeah, definitely recommend. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you discovered something new and useful. If you liked watching this video, please do not forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you the next time. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.